Good morning, students. As we are doing our second chapter, that is the river bank, we will continue our story. And children, you listen it very carefully and attentively so that you can understand in a more better way. I will explain you the story again from the beginning. In this story, there is one mole who lived near the river bank. Mole had smelled the arrival of spring season and moved quickly up of the tunnel at full speed till his nose come out. Mole was very excited with the arrival of spring. Mole started rolling in the green grasses of meadows. Meadows means grassland till he reached the hedge. Hedge means a fence or boundary formed by closely growing bushes or shrubs. Meadow was full of activities, birds building nests, flowers blooming, buddings, leaves thrusting. Thrusting Thrusting means pushing somebody in a particular direction. So everything was so happy. Mole started wandering without any planning. Mole reached the river bed. River bed means the bed or channel in which a river flows. Suddenly, Mole saw twinkling in the water. Slowly, a little brown face was coming out. With whiskers, small ears, and thick hair appeared. It was Water Rat. The Water Rat says hello to the mole, and then mole also says hello to the rat. The rat happily asked mole to come over. Rat brought out a little boat. The boat was good enough for two people to be fitted in. So the boat was much enough and comfortable for two people to sit inside the boat. The mole is saying, I have never been seated in a boat before. Then the rat asked the mole to row down the river whole day and spend the day enjoying in boating. Mole think it's a very nice idea because he have never been seated in the boat before and it will be his first experience of sailing. Rat then took out his picnic basket with many delicious treats like cold chicken, French rolls, and lemonade. As they went along the stream, they came across a woodland. Rat in a boat took out his picnic basket with many delicious foods like cold chicken, French rolls, and lemonade. As they were sailing, they came across a woodland. Woodland means land covered with trees. Who stays there? Asked Mole. Well, there are a lot of squirrels who are just as nice. Then there are rabbits, badgers, whistles, stoats, and foxes. However, you cannot trust them. You know, hearing this, Mole dropped the subject about the woodland. Mole asked, who stays there? Rat replied that there are lots of squirrels who are very nice. There are rabbits, badger, whistles, stoats and foxes, but you cannot trust them. After hearing this, Mole did not want to talk about the woodland. Mole got scared while hearing this. Now come to page number 22. As they sailed down the stream, Rat and Mole reached a meal house which was Full of cheerful murmur, Rat helped Mole ashore and dragged the picnic basket along with him. Just as they sat down to enjoy it, Otter hauled himself out of the water and said, "Greedy fellows, why did not you invite me?" They sailed down the stream. Rat and Mole reached a meal house. They were happy to see and started murmuring. Murmur means to say something in a soft, quiet voice. Rat helped Mole ashore and dragged the picnic basket along with him. As they sat down to enjoy, Otter came out of water and says, "You greedy fellows, you greedy people, you did not invite me." "Oh, please join in. Meet my new friend Mole," said Rat. Otter happily sat down with them. Then Rat says, "Oh, please join us and meet my new friend Mole." Otter happily sat down with them. They heard a rustle behind them and out came Badger. The moment he saw Rat, he ran away. "He is a shy one. We will see no more of him today," said Rat. "Well, we will not see Toad either. He is out on his new boat," said Otter. Next, what happened, children? They heard a rustle sound. Rustle sound means light, dry sound. And Badger came out, but as Badger saw Rat, he ran away because he is very shy. Rat said, "We will not see him again." Then Otter is saying that we will not see Toad also because he is out on his new boat. So they settled down to enjoy the picnic basket. What a feast it was! They laughed, talked, and ate. Then they ate some more. Finally, it was time to go home. Mole picked the picnic basket and carried it to the boat. The sun was on his way home, and so were Mole and Rat. Both were happy that they had made new friends. Happily, they returned home with beautiful memories. So, this last paragraph is telling that Mole, Rat, and Otter sat down and enjoy. They laugh, they talk, and they eat. Finally, now it's time to go to the home. Mole picked the picnic basket and carried it to the boat. The sun was setting. Night and darkness is about to arrive. Mole and Rat are ready to go to their home, and they were happy that they had made new friends, and they returned home with beautiful memories. So children, spending quality time with friends are very precious and memorable. You also feel happy in your friends' company. Everybody enjoyed a lot with their friends. This was a very beautiful story about friendship. Children, once you read the whole story carefully. Thank you.